How to lose belly fat in 10 days. Losing belly fat in just 10 days is a challenging goal, as significant changes to body composition typically take longer to achieve. However, I can provide you with some general guidelines that may help you reduce belly fat over time. Remember that a healthy and sustainable approach to weight loss involves a combination of proper nutrition, regular exercise, and lifestyle changes. Create a calorie deficit. To lose weight, you need to consume fewer calories than you burn. Calculate your daily calorie needs based on your age, gender, weight, and activity level, and aim for a moderate calorie deficit. However, it's important not to excessively restrict your calorie intake, as this can be detrimental to your health. Eat a balanced diet. Focus on consuming whole, unprocessed foods that are nutrient-dense and low in calories. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats in your meals. Avoid sugary drinks, processed snacks, and foods high in saturated fats and trans fats. Watch portion sizes. Be mindful of your portion sizes to avoid overeating. Use smaller plates and bowls to help control your portions visually. Eating slowly and paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues can also be beneficial. Stay hydrated. Drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day. Water helps keep you hydrated, supports digestion, and may help reduce overall calorie intake by curbing appetite. Engage in aerobic exercise. Incorporate regular cardio exercises into your routine to burn calories and promote fat loss. Activities like brisk walking, jogging, cycling, or swimming can be effective. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic exercise per week. Include strength training. Building muscle can help boost your metabolism and contribute to overall fat loss. Include strength training exercises such as weightlifting or bodyweight exercises in your workout regimen. Focus on compound exercises that target multiple muscle groups. Reduce stress levels. High levels of stress can lead to weight gain and increased belly fat. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as practicing relaxation techniques, engaging in hobbies, spending time with loved ones, or engaging in physical activity. Get quality sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Sufficient sleep is essential for overall health and can support weight management efforts. Remember, losing belly fat takes time and consistency. While you may not achieve dramatic results in just 10 days, adopting these healthy habits can set you on the right path toward long-term weight loss and a healthier lifestyle.